Another day, another success story for you guys. Hi, you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna, and in today's video, I'm gonna share an amazing dream job success story that I recently received. Priya, in case you're watching this, thank you so much for allowing me to share your name and also share our recording. Priya is my one-to-one coaching client. She had booked a call with me via Topmate. If you ever want to book a call with me, I have my link on Stan as well as Topmate. I will put both the links in the description box below. So I remember the last 2-3 minutes of the conversation, she was like, I'm going to come back with a success story. Like, I firmly believe it. I just know somehow my inner state shifted. So I know I'm going to have a success story for you. I just love this success story so much because this is not depending on techniques, it's not dependent on what she was doing on a daily basis. It was completely her innate belief and her innate mindset that manifested this dream job, and it came out of nowhere, and it came in the exact domain she wanted. She was very interested in marketing and wanted a job in that, and every single thing that I told her, I think she just implemented it, and somehow it worked for her. But more than anything else, that belief, knowing that she's going to get it no matter what, that's what worked for her. So yeah, without any further delay, I'm just going to play the recording. I just recorded the discussion I had with her. I asked her a couple of questions, so I'm sure it's going to be very, very useful for you. And obviously, I'm going to blur my client's face in the recording just because I want her to maintain her privacy. So yeah, without any further delay, let's listen to the recording.
I just don't want to email my success story and tell you. I just wanted to see you or call you and let you know about this.
So happy.
So
I'm
I thought,
thank you.
okay, fine. I'll not take much of your time. Like, thank you so much for all the guidance you gave me.
Of course, of course. I'm just glad that my guidance helped you in a way. Tell me, how did you get the dream job? What exactly did you do? By the way, what kind of job is it also? I'm curious
It's
to know.
it's a marketing coordinator opportunity only.
Wow, you wanted it in marketing, right? I remember the time we spoke, you said that you don't have any experience in marketing, but you want to attract a marketing job. So,
Yes.
how did you do it? Tell me all about it.
Honestly, nothing. I did not do robotic affirmations. I did not write. I did not visualize.
Right.
I only believed in one thing. I know that I am a strong manifester, and whatever thought, like, I have a sweet spot in my heart. So, whatever thought or desire, if I put into it, it will come true.
Wow, that's so
That's the only thing I did.
yeah.
I did not visualize, I did not affirm, I did not do script or nothing.
Oh
I
my
just
God.
thought like this is going to come true, and it came true.
Wow. So you basically did it with your mind. You basically used the power of your mind and you just decided in your mind mentally that it's going to happen to you. It doesn't matter if you follow a technique, it doesn't matter what you do in your routine, but you just decided mentally, stubbornly that this is coming no matter what, and it just came. Like that's
Yeah.
beautiful. That's amazing.
I
But
continuously for 1.5 months.
yeah,
When I started thinking like I'm a very strong manifester, I don't need these method. I'm not looking for evidences and all. I
yeah,
started seeing these angel numbers. 110,
yeah,
11, 10.
yeah, yeah.
Wherever I go, 555, 444, that's the only thing I believed. Even day before yesterday, I had an interview actually.
Wow.
Then I had something to do until day before yesterday.
Right.
Yesterday I didn't have anything to do. I was so lazy. I don't know what to prepare for. I don't have a work. I don't have next interview to prepare for. I was like, what should I do? Universe, what are you doing to me? And then by 12:13, when I was just watching my phone, I saw this 11:11. Just believe in yourself. And then I was sitting,
Wow.
and 3:50, I got a call saying, like, we are selecting you if you're still interested, and you can come and sign the offer letter. I'm signing the offer letter tomorrow. But,
Wow.
I just, you came to my mind instantly, and I
Awesome.
like, no, I'm not DMing her or emailing, like, this is my success story.
Yeah, yeah.
To tell you. And, you know, this is my vision board. If you can see it, this is
It's
it.
it's like a little blurry, but I kind of understand. Yeah, there's
Almost I received my visa,
wow.
and I thought I have to read these subconscious book and atomic habits book. I did that.
Amazing.
And then I was working as a part timer actually on Saturdays and Sundays.
Right, right.
So if I after this job, I'll be earning almost three times what I was earning from the part time.
Oh
So
my,
I'm financially stable, and I
wow,
have two things, two pictures of me working.
amazing.
It happened,
So happy for you.
and I had this Banff pictures from Canada. It's my dream place to go on.
Yeah, Banff is beautiful. Even I want to visit someday. I think it's also your mindset, right? You were like very, very like sure and 100% you had that belief that you don't know how it's going to happen, but you just know you're going to get the job, you're going to be financially secure. And I think even holding that vision board, somewhere you were still like visualizing, imagining that it's happening no matter what. And I
Yeah,
think most importantly, what worked the best for you is also you were detached. You were not like worried about how it will happen. You're just going through interviews, you're going through everything, but in your mind, somewhere at the back of your mind, you're going to get it. So you were like very like detached, not worried, not too stressed, and I think that also helped a lot, right?
yeah. Like I this is out of the blue. I just came across this opportunity. I walked in, I gave my resume, and then I got a call for interview. I
Wow,
waked up by 6 a.m. in the morning. I just prepared for 2 hours. 9 a.m. was my interview. I was so
amazing,
confident. I
amazing.
went in, I gave my interview. After my interview was done, the interviewer came and hugged me. I
That's
was so confident, like, yes, I'm going to make it.
yeah.
And by 11 a.m., I was scheduled for another interview actually.
Oh my god,
So I
that's
gave both interviews, and 2 days after, she called me. I came by 9:45, and by 10 a.m., she emailed me for references actually within 15 minutes.
wow, wow,
It's
that's
just opposite to my home. It's just 4 minutes away. I can just go by walk. I just have to cross the road. That's all.
the office is just 4 minutes away.
Yeah, by
Are
walk.
you kidding? That's so cool. That's like an ideal dream job. And how many days did it take for you to like attract it?
Sorry, one week. That's all.
How 1 week, like you said, you randomly came across the opportunity, right?
Yeah, and then I gave my resume. I just walked in and gave my resume, and then the same day, I think around 3:30, I got a call like, "Can you come around for an interview tomorrow?" I
Right.
went in. She asked for reference, and it took me 1 week. She asked to contact three people and ask about me, and then yesterday she gave me a call.
Wow, that's so beautiful, Priya. Congratulations. And I'm so happy that it happened so effortlessly. Like it came like so easily to you. And like you mentioned, you didn't do any technique. You weren't like
Yeah,
extremely
it
worried.
was a thought. I was thinking I'm not going to put in any effort. I'm going to ace the interview. I know all the questions. I in those 45 minutes, I think I answered around 35 questions with no effort. Whatever I had in my mind, I just said, and they were impressed.
That's crazy. That's amazing. Do you have like any tip? Because I'll be sharing this story. Of course, I'll blur your image and everything. So you have to worry about that. You're okay with me sharing the recording, right? In my
Yeah, yeah. That's
Perfect, perfect. I appreciate that a lot. So can you just tell like one single tip probably for someone who's still struggling to get, a job like you, or someone who needs like some tip before they go into the interview, like how can they ace it? How can they be as confident and magnetic as you? Like what would be that one single tip you would give them?
just believe in yourself first. Every person has a sweet spot in your heart. It is so soft. Don't do anything. Just keep it pure and put good thoughts and desires in your heart, and just believe in yourself and see, like, I'm a powerful manifester, and whatever I think of, it is going to come true no matter what.
Oh
So
my
many things will be happening around you. Just don't think about that. Just be focused. That's what I'll say.
I love that. I love that so much. And it sounds so beautiful when you said just have like that pure intention and like, just have that belief and faith that things are going to work out for you. That's actually one of my favorite affirmations also. Like I'm a powerful manifester and everything always works out for me. So
Yeah.
I love that. It's so beautiful. I like so many people, they always look for that external validation. Like, oh, I need to get that job. I need to manifest this. I need to manifest that, but like you rightly mentioned, it's always the internal state. As soon as your internal state feels good and has that hope, that belief that things are going to work out, Like you will find things come into your life in the most unexpected manner. That's
Yeah.
the I think the real way to manifest. Like when it comes to you literally out of thin air, you're not doing anything, you just felt good, you felt good internally, and it just came to you.
And just one thing I would say, there
Yeah,
will be so many problems happening around and you will see obstacles. But just believe one thing,
yeah,
if there are 10 mountains between you and your desire,
yeah,
if you believe in yourself and you think that that desire will come to me,
yeah.
that universe will move those 10 mountains for you.
That's so beautiful. Yeah, yeah, I truly believe this too. Like I completely 100% agree with you.
You know, when you come across problems or obstacles, just believe in yourself and just think that universe is working for you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know. And I keep telling this to my clients also, that even if you don't see evidence for it, like sometimes you need that physical proof, right?
Yeah.
If you don't see that physical proof, you can't think that the universe is like not working for you. It's probably working behind the scenes for you, you know? The way you said, the universe is always there with you, because that's,
Just believe in yourself. You
yeah,
know, when you are highly aligned with the universe, you know,
yeah, yeah.
there so many problems may be surrounding you, but you will be calm because you trust in yourself and you trust the universe.
Yeah, yeah. That calm, being in that calm state is like the ultimate secret for sure. Is there anything in the workbook or maybe the quantum tip, something that you would recommend someone to just try? Like if they wanted to try some technique to just be positive, like you mentioned, like I completely agree that being internally positive and believing in yourself is the number one thing. But just for people who are probably still struggling, they can't really get that belief. What is that one method you think they should at least try?
Scripting.
Scripting is good.
Yeah.
Amazing,
You
amazing.
know, it will take you to another world actually when you visualize something and you write each and every detail.
Yeah,
You know, the feeling you get,
yeah, yeah,
it's amazing.
yeah,
Just do 2 to 3 pages a day if possible,
yeah.
or just believe in yourself, or at least do visualization. That's what I would say.
Visualization's powerful too.
The feeling is amazing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because I keep telling that even in my videos that when you write, it's almost like you can visually see it, you can feel those emotions, and you're writing. So there's like hand movement, and it just feels very like more personal. So
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, I love that. So if you had to recommend one method, it would be scripting and probably visualization.
Yes.
Perfect, perfect. Great. Thank you so much, Priya. Me, do you want me to mention your name or you don't want me to mention name also?
You can mention my name, no problem.
It's okay if I mention Priya, right?
Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. Great. Thank you so much. And I'm so proud of you. Congratulations again.
So, yeah, that was a discussion with Priya. I am so glad that you were able to hear it. I really hope that it was inspiring and insightful for you. If there are a few parts that maybe were personal to her or something not related to the success story, I would have probably edited or cut out. But most of the things that she answered, most of the things that I want everyone to understand and learn, I have included that. As you can see, every single success story is very unique because every individual will have their own experience, their own manifestation capabilities. There are clients of mine who've literally scripted a letter, literally an offer letter, and they were able to attract multiple job offers within a week or within 2 weeks. There are other clients who got a lot of success with robotic affirmations but didn't get any success with offer letter. And then there are clients like Priya who basically believed in themselves. They shifted their inner state. Their internal state had this firm conviction that no matter what happens, I 100% believe in myself. I know it's going to happen, and it just automatically worked for her. She did the methods, she did the techniques, but more than that, it was the mindset work. And I think that is definitely the key and the most important thing in manifestation. And most of us ignore that internal state, which is actually the reason why you're able to manifest things so quickly. Instead of being in a state of relaxation, you're always worried, you're always anxious, you're always trying to manifest something in a desperate state. Instead of thinking that that job needs me, you start thinking that I need the job, I need to do this, I need to get placed, I need to have a job offer, I need to get that salary. So instead of desperately needing something, just change the narrative. Change the narrative to thinking that the job needs you and you are actually part of the top 1 percentile. So of course you're going to get it. And as cliche as the saying sounds, believe in yourself and you're halfway there, I fully agree with it, because there are so many things that I didn't know how I was going to figure out. I didn't know if I could even do it, but just that innate ability and that belief that I'll figure it out. I believe in myself, like I'm going to do it no matter what. I'm just going to try my best and regret nothing. Just that mindset helped me take that step ahead, even in times when it was extremely difficult or almost impossible for me to achieve something. I was able to. And if I can do it with so many different circumstances and so many of my clients have done it, then please believe in yourself. I'm sure you can do it too. And obviously, in order to help you in your journey, I have the entire dream job package. You get the workbook and you get the quantum tape. Both are on discount right now, and this is the best time to get it. I just love how people shift their identity instantly after listening to the quantum tape, and I love how they've developed a discipline when they're reading the workbook, because they know what affirmations to practice, they know what method to practice. So every single thing that you're looking for, that clarity you need, the manifestation techniques you need, the identity shift that you need, every single thing is in the dream job mastery. I highly recommend you to get the package. I will leave a link for the same in the description box below, but if you want to buy it individually, you can buy it too on Topmate, but I would recommend getting it on Stan because you get both of them at a very, very good rate. That was it for today's video, you guys. I hope this video was inspiring. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.